people do stuff and then they just come and attack us for no reason. Um, it's like, well, I don't want to be involved with that. You know, it's like you can do things if you want to collaborate with other channels and do it in a nice way instead of attacking the heart and spirit of a person. Um, but let me continue on with the homophones. So we've got there was someone reminded me recently. There was a cartoon called Freakazoid. Free cough. It's a so like a free cough, like we'll do a fake cough, or a freak off, or some people. Well, my kids would use the word "go freak off." You know, instead of using the F word, they're using a different F word in a nice way. So, what is frequency? In the grand scheme of freak. Now, there's a spelling Freq. And then reek is in here. Reek, Reak is in here. Even though the spelling is going to be wrong in some instances, we still know what it is. So, or is reek, Wreak? Reek or wreck? Reek, you reek of something that smells bad. Um, I'd have to look that up because I'm unclear on how we spell reek now. Wreck is Wreck. Reek is Wrea? Or is it Reak? I don't remember now. Maybe I should look up and see how to spell reek. You reek of Eureka. I think we had a Eureka vacuum cleaner. Reek. Okay, reek is a meaning. Oh, it's a strong, unpleasant smell. Yes, it's a strong, unpleasant smell. It's a reeking. And okay, so now here's another one. This came up yesterday. Just yesterday, there was a video of someone who was talking about people unity and what they were requesting. I try to do their requests. You know, if I feel up to it, a lot of them I will do their requests. So they were wanting people to draw, they were wanting to draw people in a heart with unity. So I did. I drew people, heart, unity. Now, what they did, they were drawing people in the shape of a heart. So they were placing in people around, depicted as like the peg people on Google Maps and placing them around in a heart. And that was their people unity, people heart, their heart unity. But instead, what I did was, I'm going to work on this a little bit later with something. I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of it yet because I just have a little template started here. But I did people, heart, unity. You know, it's the same premise of what they did, only I did mine a little bit different. But I'm going to still turn it into artwork. And I turned my O into a heart. I thought that was kind of clever to do that in that way. What else have I got here? Oh, this one's fun. Canon. We're going to do another one here. Canon. QAnon. Because someone turned that into something bad at one point at the time of the insurrection. They turned canon into something bad. And so we've got canon as in canon, and then anon is in there, ANON, like anonymous. We should write that down, anonymous. ANONYMOUS, anonymous. And then we've got canon, the spelling CANON. Anon is still in there. A camera is a canon. There's the Cannon building in Washington, D.C. This is another homophone, I believe. It could be a combination of a homophone and homograph. Some of them are combinations of both. Not all, but some are. And then we've got the Canon, CANON, you know, that's a track tank. We'll draw a little quick track tank here like this. And then it has a point and shoot on it here like that, like the Kodak camera. We'll make this into a little track vehicle right here like that. Small little track vehicle. Just like that. And so we've got, and then there was a judge called Eileen Cannon. I believe, wasn't the judge in Fort Pierce, Florida? Her name was Eileen Cannon. And so there's a lot of instances of canon. And, another